Before we start installing OpenClaw, it is important to clearly understand what OpenClaw actually is. OpenClaw is a platform designed to build AI agents. An AI agent is different from a normal AI chatbot. A chatbot typically answers questions, but an AI agent can take actions. It can interact with tools, APIs, software systems, and infrastructure to perform real tasks automatically. This is what makes OpenClaw extremely powerful. OpenClaw allows developers to create AI-powered assistants that behave like digital operators. For example, an OpenClaw agent can monitor systems, manage infrastructure, trigger workflows, send messages, interact with APIs, run scripts, or automate business operations. Instead of manually performing repetitive tasks, you can build AI agents that perform those tasks for you. This is why many people describe OpenClaw as a platform for building AI-powered personal assistants and automation systems. The OpenClaw project is open source. The core platform is available on GitHub. The repository contains the application, documentation, APIs, and examples. Another important concept in OpenClaw is skills. Skills give agents the ability to interact with the world. For example, a skill might allow an agent to call an API, send a message, run a command, access a database, or control infrastructure. Without skills, an AI model can only generate text, but with skills, an AI agent can perform real-world actions. OpenClaw also supports multiple AI model providers. For example, you can connect to OpenAI, Claude, or local models using a llama. This flexibility allows you to choose models that fit your needs. OpenClaw is part of a growing movement toward agentic AI systems. Instead of just generating text, AI systems are now being designed to reason, plan, and act. OpenClaw enables exactly that. In the next lecture, we will look at where OpenClaw fits in the automation ecosystem and how it compares with other automation platforms.